As the country continues to experience an upsurge in the number of COVID-19 infections, focus now shifts to two counties of Nairobi and Mombasa, where the Ministry of Health says it has noted a worrying trend of an increase in the number of reported cases. Chief Health Administrative Secretary Dr. Rashid Aman saying the confirmed cases of COVID-19 that have been reported in the country in the past few days have all been captured in the two counties.
This is indicative of increased local transmission in these two counties. We have therefore enhanced contact tracing, surveillance, and infection control management in these counties. The rest of the counties are strongly advised to continue observing the containment measures.
And in a bid to contain the virus, especially in the two counties that are now classified as hotspots, the ministry has called on security agencies to ensure that the containment order is adhered to.
I also want to take this opportunity to encourage our security forces to continue the good job of ensuring that people do not leave and get into these counties with restricted movements. And to the rest of the country and the inhabitants of these counties, I continue to plead for your patience, cooperation, and understanding. Together we shall beat this virus and resume our jobs, schools, businesses, and social interaction.
The ministry says 11 more cases of coronavirus COVID-19 have been confirmed in the country, bringing the total number of infections in the country to 374.
In today's cases, there are 2 children aged 3 years and the oldest is 75 years. Out of the 11 cases, 7 are from Nairobi and 4 from Mombasa.
Out of the 7 cases from Nairobi, 4 are from Kawangware, 1 from Eastleigh, another from Manji Estate and Kaloleni respectively. The government further says all the 4 cases reported in Mombasa were captured in Kibokoni area.
We therefore want to request residents of these areas to take extra measures to avoid contracting the virus.
Meanwhile, the number of those who have recovered from the disease has also increased to 124 after 10 more people are discharged Tuesday.
As we celebrate the recoveries, let me remind Kenyans that this is not the time to celebrate and lose sight of the ball. The enemy is still in our midst. It is therefore absolutely necessary that we continue to strictly observe the containment measures that have consistently been advocated for by the Ministry of Health. This is the only effective way of containing the spread of infections.
This even as the Ministry of Health maintains that currently the country is using molecular-based testing to detect the RNA of the virus and has not approved rapid test kits for COVID-19. Gloria Milimu, K24 Evening Edition.